We're at a Dennys. We're at a Dennys just outside of San Antonio, about 25 miles to the Alamo that we're trying to get to.
Yep.
And this tree's got birds in it. Probably won't be able to hear them over the cars and stuff, but one of them sounds, at least one of them sounds like a mockingbird, and it keeps mocking sirens of cars going by, of police cars or ambulances or something. It's right there. Oh, it's full of nests. Honey, it's full of nests of them. There's one right here that's definitely a mockingbird, and it keeps, I won't do it now, but it keeps going whoop, 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 whoop. Yeah. You never know what you'll find on one of these.
Yeah.